You're watching Love to Learn Phonics with Miss Ellis.
Today's quiz is all about the sound W. Question 1. What sound does this letter make? Is it W, V or J? It's W. Question 2. Which picture starts with W? Is it banana, watch or van? It's watch. Question 3. What is this word? W, A, B. The answer is web. Question 4. Spot the W. Say yes if each word has the W sound. Say no if it doesn't. Worm, rain, watermelon, balloons. Question 5. Which letter is missing to make the word wig? Is it W, V or M? The missing letter is W. W for wig. Question 6. Which picture has the W sound at the start? Is it violin, whale or jam? It's whale. Question 7. Which word does not start with W? Is it vegetables, walrus or whistle? It's vegetables. Question 8. Can you read the name of this alien? W, A, V. His name is Wev. Question 9. Choose the W word. Is it volcano, wand or bee? It's wand. Question 10. Listen carefully. I'm going to say 3 words. Which one starts with the W sound? Jet, wheel or bug? It's wheel.
Give yourselves a well done for super joining in. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Take care. Bye for now.